Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with an exciting sneak peek for you. So this is kind of a surprise video. I don't know if you guys know, I'm assuming most of you do, Mary's Diamonds was bought out by the people who run Bella Art de Nicole. And I was approached by them and asked to do a sneak peek when they were getting ready to reveal their very first kits under new management. However, I happened to be in Canada at the time, and the timing just didn't work out for me to do a sneak peek. So they very kindly sent me this one. I have no idea what this is. So you guys are going to get to see this at the same time I'm seeing it for the first time. It is, of course, in the same branded box. I didn't look over it too much. I just kind of twisted it to see. There's nothing on the edges on this side or this side that show me what it is. I didn't look at these two edges yet because I wanted to be surprised. So all I know at this point is they've sent me this kit. No idea what it is, no idea what size, whether it's round, whether it's square, whatever. But it will be available on Saturday, July 8th, after, I think she said after they do their 1:30 live. And I don't know what time zone they're in, so if you follow their lives shortly after that. So anyway, sometime Saturday afternoon, this will be available on their website. So I will stick a link to the website down below so that you can check it out. Now, I have one other Mary's Diamonds, but the one that I have was purchased before Bella Art took over. So I'm kind of curious to see. And I haven't actually done my other Mary's Diamonds kit yet. So let's see what's different. All right, I'm just going to get into this. Okay, guys, looking here, I'm not going to be able to, oh, maybe if I open it so you guys can see it. There, that will lay it a little bit flat. It says Snow Girl from Luisa Maria, 60 by 68 centimeters, square drills with 48 colors. And it's this cute little girl with an umbrella. All right, let's get it out here and see what it all looks like. All right, here we go. 60 by 80 is kind of big. Oh, this is the bottom. All right, let me just do it this way, because I don't, 60 by 80, I'm not going to get it, or 60 by 68. I'm not going to get it all on the table here, but we can look at it. So here we've got the image, who the artist is, the size, Bella Art, all of their socials. We do have a schematic, I'm going to guess, on both sides. Ooh, just looking at this, the symbols all look very nice and clear. Oh, I'm already excited about this one, you guys. All right, and ABs. 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs, it says. Okay, let me unroll this. And then I'll need to roll it the opposite way so that I can see. But let's get that out of the way, the drills out of the way, and we'll look at our little toolkit. All right, so for a toolkit, we get a little tray. Oh, it's got like a little up angle on the little slot there, so they won't just tip out. You'd have to be pretty deliberate to get those to tip out. And what's in the toolkit? So we get, in addition to our tray, we get some blue wax. We get some, ooh, very sharp pokey tweezers. We get a pen with a 3-placer and a 9-placer. Oh, and a 6-placer. So 3 different tips plus your single placer, a scrunchie for the pen. And then we get some very cute, like little stars and firebursts washi tape. Okay, so that's what is in the toolkit. Let's see what our stickers look like. Okay. So very similar to what I see with other diamond painting companies. So we've got Mary's Diamonds, the name of the image, and here's the image that you can use for your logbook, the size, square drill, 48 colors, including 4 ABs, and then their Bella Art de Nicole, so you can find accessories. They sell trays, towers, everything. So if you haven't checked them out, you can. And 48 colors, like it says, and 4 ABs, and we've got pre-cut stickers here. And it's just this cute little girl. Lots and lots of purples it looks like it's going to be. But I'm really liking the kind of the little stars on her face and the moon and the stars and the umbrella. Yeah, I think this is going to be really cute. All right, let me grab the canvas and we'll check that out. And here is the canvas. Again, I will take some B-roll and get some close-ups so we can see everything, so you guys can see kind of the whole picture. But yeah. Oh, and our schematic on this side is actually upside down. So if you're one of the people like me who flips your I flip my diamond paintings every which way. I don't just start at the top and then work my way to the bottom. I'll flip them to the side. Because I'm working at a table, whatever gets it the closest to the side I'm sitting on at the table, that's where I'll work, because I don't like to have to be leaning way across the table. So that's nice. We have the DMC codes, so that's good. This is, ooh, it is a nice thick cover sheet, just like Orloa. It is nice and sticky where it needs to be. And like I said, I'm actually really loving all the symbols look nice and clear. Going to be some nice multi-placing here. All of this in the umbrella is multi-placing. Of course, you're going to have some confetti here in her eyes, her hair, some of the other places. But yeah, still some nice multi-placing. This whole section of her face is all one color. It says it is, what did I say, 60 by 68. So let's measure. It is 60, just a skosh under 60. And let me turn it this way so we can measure this side. And it said 68, I believe is what it said. So let's measure this way. Let me get sure I lay it flat. And 68. So 60 by 68 is the actual drill field size. So here you can see, you know, the stars and the little starlight on her face. There's her hand, you know, kind of checking out for the rain. Interesting snow girl. It looks more like rain than snow, but maybe once I get it done. It's kind of hard to tell sometimes from the small little images that you get on the canvas and the little stickers. Let me grab the image. Maybe I just wasn't looking close enough at the image on the stickers here. So I guess it just to me it kind of looks like a starry background, but yeah, I guess I can see that snow. Interesting little swipe of color there on her face. We'll see how that turns out in her hands. Okay, but cute little dress, like it's got like a little apron on it it's got clouds and clouds behind her. Oh, and she's wearing little cat ears. How cute. My daughter would love that. All right, let me get the drills open and we'll take a look at those. Be right back. All right, I've got them piled up here. As you can see from the pile, it looks like there's going to be a lot of purple. So let's just, I'm going to move the whole thing. Let me move these off to the side and we'll just start grabbing some colors. I don't know if I have multiple bags of any of these, but we'll see. So right off the bat, I've got 2 bags of this light blue color, a bag of very pale blue, a dark purple, a kind of cornflower blue, and like a periwinkle blue. Then I do have 2 bags of this light purple, and then I've got, let's see, I'm trying to see if I've got multiple bags. Wow, that's all the 310 in this kit, you guys. That's nothing. All right, so I've got 2 bags of this darker purple, and so far only 1 bag of this very pale purple. Let's look at some of these other colors because I got lots of pinks too. So there's like a rose pink, and then we've got like a bubblegum pink. There's a mulberry pink, or mulberry red, however you want to look at it. Another kind of pale minty greenish blue. I would call that green. Then we've got a very deep blue, a slightly lighter deep blue, another kind of pale green. We've got another kind of slate blue, a very deep red, a very dark purple, like a watermelon red, another just regular purple, and then we've got 2 bags of this peach color. We've got, did I have any of this color? I don't think so. Okay, so another like a slate, very pale slate blue. We've got a light blue, kind of a vibrant red. And then we have a very bright pink, a pink. Ooh, that's an even brighter pink. And then we have a very dark purple, another purple. Trying to see if I have any duplicates. I think that was all for duplicates. All right, so here's another purple, a very bright deep blue, another, did I have one of these? No, just another light blue, a red, kind of a coral red, white. We've got a baby pink, another kind of bright pink, a mulberry red. We've got yet another pink. It's kind of a purpley pink. Another pink, a darker purple, a very pale yellow, and then another kind of very pale slate blue, like a pale blue, kind of grayish as well. All right, so those are all the colors. So several of them, lots of purples, lots of pinks. We have blue, that's a background color, of course, lots of purples that are the girl herself. I have put aside the 4 ABs. Let me get all of these regular drills put away and we'll look at what the ABs are as well as where they go on the canvas. So don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. All right, so we've got 4 ABs. We've got white ABs, of course, and I'm going to guess those go here in her eyes. So let's see. Ooh, I was wrong. They don't go in her eyes. Where do they go? They're kind of sprinkled in up here. So maybe that's meant to be like the little snowflakes. They're sprinkled in over here. There is some down here. So yeah, those are those. Then we have this yellow AB, and this is the little moons and stars that we see in several places. The little moon down on her apron is that yellow color. Then we have this kind of peacock blue AB, and this one is, oh, it's the outline of her little cat ears here. That's super cute. And then we have this kind of light turquoise AB, and this one is, oh, this is the one that is her headband here. This one is symbol A. Where is symbol A? Oh, it's right in front of me. So both of these are her headband here. The A, the darker one, is the outside, and then the lighter one is the inside here, and then some different colors for the actual inside of it. So yeah, there's the 4 ABs. All right, there you go, guys. This is Mary's Diamonds, and they are still at marysdiamonds.com, which I will stick a link to down below, as well as bellaartdenicole.com, where you can check out their drill trays, their towers. They sell pen holders. They sell all kinds of stuff. So go check them out. I have several of their trays and I really like them. Okay, that's it for me today, guys. A huge thank you to Mary's Diamonds and Bella Art for sending me the sneak peek. Don't forget, this will be available Saturday afternoon, July 8th. So make sure you check them out with the links below. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video, guys. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.